I got paid $1,000 to build this AI agent, and it only took me about an hour of work. And when I first showed this workflow to the client, their exact words were, "Wait, that's it? That just saved me hours of work." And that's when I realized businesses don't care about how complex it looks, they care about results. That's the beauty of knowledge work. Clients don't pay for your time, they pay for the outcome. And here's the crazy part. You could build this too, even if you don't know how to code. It's not overly complex and it doesn't take weeks of effort. In this video, I'll show you exactly what this AI agent does, why it saved a real business hours of manual work, and then I'll show you how to set it up step by step so you can build it yourself. Whether you want to use it to save time in your own business or sell it as a service, that's up to you. Stick around until the end because this skill is in huge demand and businesses that don't start implementing AI into their systems are going to fall behind. And I'm gonna break down how I managed to get my first paying clients and how you can too. Okay, so let's talk about what this AI agent actually does. Well, my client is a small business that sells custom-made art. They sell their pieces at live events across the country. At one of their recent events, they ran a raffle where anyone could enter to win a product of their choice. All the person had to do was write down their name, their email, and the product they wanted if they were to win. Hundreds of people signed up, and once the winner was chosen, the business was left with a gold mine, a list of emails plus the exact product each person wanted. Normally, that kind of list just gets dumped into a newsletter or everyone gets the same generic email template. But here's the opportunity that I saw. With AI, we can personalize every single message. Instead of blasting out one boring template, we can send emails that mentioned exactly what each person said they wanted. That's the difference between an email that gets ignored and an email that makes people click. So instead of sending the same message to everyone, I built an AI agent workflow that loops through the list of raffle entries, generates a custom email for each person, mentions the exact product they picked, adds a unique discount code, and automatically sends it out. Personalized at scale. And technically, this isn't just a single agent, it's an AI workflow built in an app called NAN. The best part, NAN is completely free if you host it yourself and you don't need to know how to code. Everything is drag and drop and the interface is super intuitive. Later in this video, I'll walk you through the entire workflow step by step so you can copy it for yourself. I also have videos showing you how to install this NAN platform for free on your computer and how to get started with beginner tutorials. And by the way, if you're really interested in AI agents and automations, I have a community that is completely free to join. It's full of people that are passionate about this topic, and it has a bunch of free resources for you to download. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can join. Now, here's the real question. Why would a business pay me $1,000 for something like this? Well, it's because clients don't pay for hours, they pay for outcomes. Let's think about it from the business owner's perspective. Without this workflow, their options were 1, spend hours manually writing and sending hundreds of emails, or 2, pay someone else to do it, which becomes an ongoing cost. With this automation, they can press a button and instantly send personalized emails to everyone on the list. That's saving them time and making them money because personalization leads to higher sales conversions. Here's some quick math. If this workflow helps them to sell just 10 extra art pieces because people feel more connected to the personalized email, that could be thousands of dollars in extra revenue. So paying me $1,000 once to set this up is actually a steal and it's a no-brainer. And this is the bigger lesson for you. Don't charge for time, charge for value. Businesses will happily pay $500, $1,000, even $5,000 if the automation clearly saves them time or makes them money. Now, you might be thinking, well, Kyle, couldn't the business owner just build this themselves? What's the point in even learning this? And the answer is yes, technically they could, but here's the reality. Business owners don't have unlimited time. They're already busy running sales, managing customers, handling logistics. The last thing they want to do is spend hours learning NAN, writing prompts, and troubleshooting APIs. More often than not, they'd rather outsource it to someone who's better suited to optimize, build, and maintain these systems. That's why it's so important to actually learn these tools now, because once you understand how they work, you become incredibly valuable. Businesses will happily pay for that expertise. Now, at this point, you might be wondering, how did I actually land this client? And how can you get your first client in AI automation? In this case, it started simple. I was posting my end-to-end progress online and joining various communities. This business stumbled upon my content and they reached out to have a chat. I asked them about their business processes and pain points, and I was able to come up with a variety of solutions. This example I'm going through today is just one of many. They had this raffle list sitting there, and I knew I could turn it into revenue with automation. Opportunities like this are everywhere. Small businesses, creators, e-commerce shops, coaches, real estate agents, they all have repetitive processes that could be automated. Most of them don't even know that tools like NAN exist. And that leaves a big opportunity for those of us who do. So how do you get started? Step 1, build in public. Post about the automations you're learning, share on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, or niche forums. Even small tutorials or screenshots can get you noticed. Step 2, think like a doctor, not a pharmacist. Don't just say, I build automations, diagnose problems. Show a restaurant how to automatically confirm reservations, or show a real estate agent how to automatically follow up with leads. Businesses don't care about nodes and prompts, they care about solutions. Step 3, start small. You don't need to pitch a huge package. Offer one workflow that saves them time or makes them money. Once they see the value, they'll come back for more. I'm actually on retainer with a few of my clients, which means they pay me a set amount every month, and in return, I continuously build and maintain a few of their AI agents and automations every month. This is probably the best way to do it, but at first, you'll need to get your foot in the door. Once you're in, you can continue to stack these deals and have as many clients on retainer as you can handle. And that is how you land clients, not by being the world's best coder or automation builder, but by spotting opportunities and solving problems. All right, let me show you exactly how I built this workflow in NAN. We start with a manual trigger node, so the business can run this anytime they want. Next, I connect it to a Google Sheets node that contains all of the raffle signups. If they run another raffle in the future, all they'll need to do is update which sheet this node is pulling from. Each row, which represents one person's entry, gets looped through. That row is sent to the AI agent node. Now an agent has 4 main parts. The 1 is the brain, 2 is the memory, 3 instructions, 4 tools. And in this case, we only need the brain and the instructions. The brain will be an OpenAI GPT model. The instructions are written in a system prompt, which tells the model exactly how to generate the email. It's super important to make your instructions detailed and structured. For example, write a professional but friendly email to blank, mentioning their interest in blank, include a 10% discount code, and with a call to action to visit our shop. That ensures consistency across hundreds of emails. Once the AI generates the email, the output is sent to a Gmail node, which sends the message automatically. Then I send the data back to a Google Sheets node to log the message and mark it as sent. That's the entire loop. Sheet, AI, Gmail, log. Clean, simple, and repeatable. And that's how I got paid $1,000 for a workflow that took about an hour to build. The key takeaway is that businesses don't care about the number of nodes you used or how many hours you spent. They care about outcomes, time saved, money made, and problems solved. And the best part, once you learn this skill, you can apply it anywhere. Personalized emails, lead follow-up, customer onboarding, event reminders, abandoned cart recovery. It's endless. If you want to grab this exact workflow template, I've linked my free automation community in the description. And if you're serious about learning AI automations and turning it into a side hustle or even a business, now is the time. Businesses that don't adopt AI are going to fall behind, and that creates huge opportunities for builders like us. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more NAN and AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what business would you use this workflow for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.